Ivy makes her life a show. Yeah. Every day she's on the go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivy and this is Hang with Ivy. Kwa wale ni wapya hapa, karibuni sana. Kwa wale ni wenye maoji, karibuni tena. We are really grateful to have you here. Nimeshika simu kwa mkono ndio maana na shake kidogo. Nitaweka kwa stand in a few minutes. So, you guys remember the video that I did, the portable wardrobe right here. You guys, thank you so much. You blew it up. Like, you blew it up until now. It's still making me money. It's still making me money. And that's like, nawashukuru for that. So I thought to myself, I should bringing you guys more portable things and more like storage things, storage solutions. So today I'm going to show you guys like a storage organizer that you can also add to your portable wardrobe to make it look nice or to have extra storage. Let me show you. So nimeshatoanisha hii kitu, but okay, compress inafaa kukaida chini ni kunje vizuri nionyesha. So guys, this is what it looks like when you fold it. I've had it for a while, so in the manner like this place is like this, but it's supposed to be flat, but I've had it for a while. And then this is where the magic happens. Like this thing, when you just hold it here like this, inafunguka. Wow! Inafunguka yote. This is what it looks like. And you see how light it is. Like nikishika tu hivi, naweza ibeba, and all you have to do is do this. Ukihama or something, just do that, and then unaikunja vizuri, and that's it. You can even carry this thing kwenda kwa nini. When you're traveling, you're going to a hotel, you don't know if you'll find enough storage, you can buy this and it will help you. Unaiweka tu kwa bag yako na uko sawa. Wacheni nionyeshe how I put it on my portable wardrobe. And I've removed things from this thing just for you guys. You better watch. But yeah, hiyo even ndio inakaa. Hii kitu unaweza ipata for 2500 hapo, or less, even less, depending on where you're going to go get it. And then this part is hard. It's very hard. You can't even fold it. Like this part, this is a bit foldable. This is also a bit foldable, but this part is not very flexible. Like it's hard. You can be able to carry a lot of things here, and even the bottom. And I've had this thing for years. I've had it for years, and like there's no wear and tear on this thing, and I've had it for years. I've had it for like more than 6 years. I've had this thing for more than 6 years. Someone gave it to me, by the way, and I've had it for more than 6 years, and it has no tears anywhere, and it carries a lot of things. And then the good thing about this is you can wash it. This area here is velcro. It's velcro, you see. And I know it looks like it's going to fall, but it doesn't fall at all. It's never fallen. So you just put it like that, and then find something and use it as your anchor. And it holds like that. I'm just about to show you guys what it looks like. Just like that, and it's going to hold itself very nicely, and it holds enough things. I'm supposed to wash it. Yeah, hapo chini it has two ninis. It has two. So guys, that's the wardrobe, that's the storage organizer. I'm going to show you guys how I've put it on my portable wardrobe on the next video, so watch out for that. And thank you so much for watching. Nawapenda sana. Bye.
Yeah. Editing clips through the night. Living, dreaming in the light. I'm saying, girl, you live it right, bringing joy to our lives, babe.